Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to submit investment proof for tax. We'll cover the essential documents you need, common submission methods, and crucial tips to ensure a smooth process. Understanding these steps helps you maximize your tax savings and avoid last-minute stress. Let's get started with what you need to know for a successful submission. When gathering your investment proofs, focus on key documents. These include receipts for life insurance premiums, statements from equity-linked savings schemes, and certificates for home loan interest paid. Don't forget your public provident fund passbook or statements. Each document helps verify your eligible deductions, so keep them organized and readily accessible. Most employers offer two primary ways to submit your investment proofs. You might use an online portal to upload digital copies, or you may need to submit physical documents to your Human Resources department. Always confirm your company's specific procedure and deadline. Remember to keep personal copies of everything you submit for your records. To ensure a smooth process, always submit your investment proofs before the specified deadline to prevent higher tax deductions. After submission, carefully review your payslip to confirm that your tax deductions are accurate. If you have complex investment scenarios, consider consulting a qualified tax advisor. Maintaining thorough records is always a smart practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.